Windows 11 users are facing another update problem, and this time, Microsoft is directly telling people to remove the faulty patch. Update KB5074109 has caused many bug complaints including slow performance and broken features, and the company has now posted instructions telling affected users to undo it. This is just another example in the continuing story of Windows updates creating more troubles than they fix. On January 13, 2026, Microsoft began releasing the 2026-2001 security update, KB5074109, 26200.7623, for Windows 11 version 25H2 and 24H2. But soon after, many user reports started appearing with various problems. For instance, we've seen complaints about apps not running properly, showing error messages like 0x803F8001. Also, a few users have reported sudden black screens after installing update KB5074109 on computers with NVIDIA graphics cards. Now, if you're using the older version of the Outlook app, Microsoft has confirmed, via Windows latest, issues with accounts set up using the POP protocol and profiles with PST files, where users may face Outlook freezes and won't close properly problems. According to the information, this issue may happen for any profile that has PST files saved on OneDrive. Since the company doesn't yet have a permanent solution and the temporary fix may be difficult, they're suggesting users either use the web version of the service, move the PST files away from OneDrive, or remove build 26200.7623 from the computer. Also, recently, the company had to release an emergency, out-of-band or OOB, update, KB5077744, for versions 25H2 and 24H2 to fix login failures during remote desktop connections. Additionally, the software company released an urgent update for version 23H2, which is no longer supported, to fix a problem that stopped users from properly shutting down their computers. In this guide, I'll explain the easy steps to remove the latest update from Windows 11 to avoid the current problems. To remove the January 2026 security update from your computer, follow these steps. Open Settings, click on Windows Update, click the Pause for 1 week button to stop the system from reinstalling the update, click the Update History page on the right side, click the Uninstall Update setting under the Related Settings section. Click the Uninstall option to remove update KB5074109 from Windows 11. Click the Uninstall button once more. Click the Restart Now button. Once you finish the steps, the update will be removed from your computer, bringing the system back to when it was working correctly. Whether this is just another one-time mistake or a sign of bigger quality control problems at Microsoft, the frustration is genuine, especially for users who depend on Windows 11 for work. For now, removing KB5074109 appears to be the safest choice until a corrected version is released. Have you experienced issues with this Windows 11 update? Share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates and troubleshooting guides. Stay safe, and we'll keep you posted when Microsoft releases a proper fix.